Hey everyone, it's been a while and I decided to create another video. I've been lazy, yeah, that's the truth, and that's why I didn't create any videos. But to be honest, I didn't have much stuff to record because I came to a point in life where I have a job other than photography, and kind of on the way, while I love photography, and that's the reason why I started with photography, and I started this channel at that time. But along the way, photography became another job, and I think that's wrong. I mean, don't get me wrong, like probably all of us that do photography, we still we are in love with photography, and that's the reason why we do it. But somehow it changed a little bit, so I don't have that much time for like just be in the nature by myself, me and the camera, and to take pictures that you know, make my creative juices flowing, let's say it like that. And I think that's a big mistake. So as much joy that we have with when we are working you know, for clients or whatever we do when we are shooting, I think that all of us like need some time for ourselves to do that one thing why we actually started doing this, why we you know, became so obsessed with photography, and we need to go back to that. And I think it's beneficial for our job as well, because I think that's how we can still be creative. We can still be you know, in this time with AI and everything, you know, we can stay on top of things and just be more happy. So as it happens, I am on a kind of a work trip, 2-day work trip on the Divčibare Mountain here in Serbia, and I never been here, or maybe I did like 30 years ago or something when I was a kid with the school. But the opportunity came along, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna go spend 2 days there. I'm gonna work from here, and right now I have a couple of hours for myself, and I decided to go explore a little bit. Actually, I did already kind of went yesterday, and I found a cool little spot that just the one that I like. It's a nothing special. It's a small creek in the woods, and there's a lot of pine trees here, pine woods. So I love that. I love mountains with pine trees, and yeah, let's try to just go and be creative and try to take a couple of cool photos just for myself. Someone might not like it. It probably will not be something special, but yeah, let's just spend a couple of hours in the nature with the camera, and I think that's all that we need. We need the proper footwear for this, and let's go. Now, I don't know how this stabilization works on this camera. This is the first DJI Osmo Action cam the first version, so I hope it's not too jumpy. I know there's like a new one out, the Action 5 Pro, and I've seen like the reviews, and man, that's a serious vlogging and action camera, like with 4 hours of battery and insane image quality and insane stabilization and everything. But yeah, I'm living in 2018, I guess, still, so whatever. And I know this is not like, if you ask any landscape photographer or outdoor proper landscape and outdoor photography, they're gonna tell you like this is the worst time to go out and do photography in the nature. And yeah, I agree, but I assume like this place where we are going now, it looks amazing in 5 a.m. when the sun is rising, but man, I cannot get up in 5 a.m. So I don't know, who cares? Like I said, we are just going to take a couple of cool videos and cool photos of this place, and you know, I'm just gonna put it on the Instagram and get my 50 likes, and I'm gonna be happy with it. Yeah, I don't know, some guys I know, they like to go on like photo trips with the buddies, and that's what gets them going. But for me, it's this, just to spend like 2 or 3 hours in this amazing nature. That's what makes me more creative. And let's see. Like I said, this is the thing that I love. When you're in a place like this, it's nothing special, just a little stream going through the woods, but man, it's so peaceful and it's so amazing and it's so beautiful. Yeah, I'm just gonna spend some time here walking up and down the stream and taking photos. That's the whole idea. Let's go. I'm hoping the autofocus works. There's one thing that I want to do. It's not a photo, it's actually a video with the drone. I want to send a drone up this stream and take a video. I don't know how it's gonna work out, especially because I don't have a fancy Mavic drone. I have a DJI Mini 4K. And yeah, for a long time I didn't have a drone at all. I was using, when I had to use it for a job, I was using, a friend had a drone. I was using his drone. And he had a Mini 4 Pro, but a couple of weeks ago he crashed it like in a river, and yeah, I needed the drone like in a couple of days, so I just went and bought myself the first thing I could afford, and that will do the job. So it's a Mini 4K, and I don't know, let's set it up and see if we're gonna have a video that I'm gonna like. But yeah, that's the idea. Like, I had this in mind since yesterday when I was here. Like, I just want to send the drone up this stream and see how it's gonna look. Then we're gonna try to use my backpack so it can, you know, take off from here. Let's take a look.
Home points updated.
Beyond the silver moon, if we drive, then we can get there soon. Close your eyes and ride with me. Ride with me, we Hearts so high, they ain't coming down. Don't you wanna go? Don't you wanna go?
Found a cute little composition, nothing special, just a stream of water going down, and there in the background is like those trees and green stuff. I think it's gonna look cute, so I'm gonna go with it. And I've put my ND filter on, and I'm gonna try to slow down the shutter speed as much as I can. I still struggle with the light, so between the dark and the light parts of the image. I'm gonna go with I'm probably gonna take manually different exposures, and if needed I'm gonna blend them together. So I'm gonna turn off this, currently I've set this for bracketing, and I'm gonna just turn that off. Yeah, okay. And I'm not gonna do focus stacking, because I kind of like how the trees in the back are fading out like in slight blur. So yeah, let's just take photos and see how it looks.
There's a place beyond the silver moon. If we drive, then we can get there soon. Ride, close your eyes and ride with me. We could park out on the edge of town. Hearts so high, they ain't coming down. Don't you wanna go?
So I've spent
Don't you wanna go?
quite some time here now, and I took some photos with my 24-70. I took with a 40mm prime, bunch of stuff here, and I even took some handheld. Right now I have my 85mm 1.8. It's definitely not like a landscape lens, but I do like the compression it makes, and you know, like I said, none of these photos is going to win any awards, but I don't know, I like them. So here are a couple of them that I think look interesting, and yeah, this I really needed this, and this is awesome. So I definitely need to do more stuff like this, and that's something I recommend like everyone who gets like lullabied in, I don't know, in his comfort zone and doing stuff. Dude, just go out and do creative stuff. Take a look around yourself, like take a look at the world and try to do something that you don't do every day. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.
Ride with me. had my way, every highway be you and me. Yeah, be you and me. If I had my way, every highway